Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So, I think we already surpassed the escrow moment. I think this was the escrow moment, which is this line. Which is doesn't correlate with the escrow release, the 1 billion coins here. This is 16th of August. If you put another line here, boom. This is at 21st of July. This was around 12 on the 22nd. So 22nd of June around 12. This is afternoon, during the afternoon. So here we already hit like 22nd at 18. This is 12. Here we are now here around 6. Okay, 22nd of August, 6 in the morning in this chart time, and here is the 22nd of June around 2 p.m. So there is another room of drop around that price at that time. I think I'm gonna stretch it to 2 to 14 maybe, right about here. So we are almost towards the reaching of the end point of escrow of every event, and this is on the 20th of July, 2 in the morning. Around that time, there's a sell-off here. Started sell-off around here already. There's a 5th July, the people start selling off. 12th July, 16, and so on. This is the last dip. It was 20th of July, 2 in the morning. So I think this is a whole month, purple to purple, except for this two. This is just an estimation of why is it dropping at this rate. It's because we already hit a major trend line coming from our all-time high of 1.96 for this cycle, not like the 3.20 cents cycle. So there is a potential for it to even go higher now, and I don't know guys, it doesn't touch this even there. This trend line, I'm gonna change this color to red, maybe you guys can see that. So this red trend line uptrend is been going on since from the drop 0.51, 0.52, and there is a spillage here like that, but it goes up again and bounce within this trend line. So now are we waiting for it to drop on this trend line and we buy in? And if let's say drop here, it's already 1.15. It's a good price to buy in actually. If it were to drop that way, for let's say it were to be like this, textbook, boom, can happen. Or like this, after that it's supposed to go up, hit the ceiling and drop. Could happen. So I'm waiting for this price point at 1.08, 1.15, 0.9, and 0.8. Alright, if let's say to drop again even lower, which is, I don't know, it has to follow this trend line, this major trend line since 2020 December. This yellow trend line, it has to follow. If it follows, 0.68 cents guys, right about here, if you guys can get it. If you guys get it around 0.7, it's a good buy still, but it's too sharp of a dive if it to go down that way. I wouldn't expect that. I would expect it for it to hover around here if it goes to the lowest, or maybe here. There is a very support line here, and we did test here like a few times, and this is could be a support line above these two, but it can happen again. Like if it goes down, the support line could be here, maybe 0.8, because if that thing were to drop here, and then it follows exactly like this picture, these two. So I don't know guys, but what we're forming right here is exactly what we're forming right here, like this M. Okay, just to keep in mind, we are exactly during that time. We are at that time right here. Sorry, this one. Yep. So that's it. For this analysis, is a very short one. If let's say it were to break up from here, I think that's a confirmation buy-in. But let's say if it to go up and goes down, because we do have this major trend line, the red one, that has been filled here. People sell off over there. If it goes up, break out here and breaks here, and even higher, that means there's a confirmation to break this 1.5, then the support line breakout in 1.6 easily, then maybe they can test again 1.9 to $2. It can happen that way also. So that's it for this video guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Peace out.